Today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in OPPO A38. So if you want to open the home screen settings, just hold the finger on the display. Now select we can start from the wallpapers. If you want to change it, you can choose the static wallpaper or the online, as you wish. So pick the wallpaper that you like this one, and click on the apply. Now choose the place for it, lock screen, home screen, or both of them, like you wish. And click on and wait a second. Now we have a new wallpaper, and this is the way how you can change it. After that, hold the finger, and again, and we can go to the icons. If you want to set your own shape of the icons, tap on the custom, and there we have a preview. So remember that, and now we can choose the shape of it, the size of the foreground, and the size of the icon. If you want, you can use the system colors and hide the app names, but if you want to keep it, you can also change the size of the app names. If you already click on apply, and we have a new design of the icons. Now we can jump to the widgets. If you want to add any, just hold the finger on anyone and choose the place on the home screen for that. Click on the done, we have a new widget. If you want to resize it, hold the finger and swipe the edge. Oh, sorry, just misclick. So you can resize it. Give me a second, sorry about that. I'm not sure why I can't just resize it, but... Oh, okay, it's work. If you want to remove that, hold the finger and choose remove widget, configure it at the pop-up, and that's it. And now the layout. If you want to change the amount of duplication, they're all signed in the columns. Tap on the one to check how it looks on the home screen and choose apply. Now we can go to the transition. This is the effect when you're swiping the pages, so tap on anyone to play the short preview, choose your favorite one and click apply. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.